For 12 minutes, the entire world heard the same sound. In the early 2000s, radio listeners across different countries reported something impossible. At exactly the same time, multiple stations went silent. Then a sound replaced them. Not music, not static, a deep repeating tone, slow, mechanical, and identical everywhere. The broadcast lasted 12 minutes. Engineers searched for the source. Satellites showed nothing. No transmitter was ever found. What frightened experts wasn't the sound itself, but its precision. The frequency was too stable, too controlled. Some listeners reported headaches. Others described sudden fear for no reason. When the signal stopped, everything returned to normal. No explanation was given, no apology was made, and no record officially exists. Yet archived recordings still circulate online. If no one sent it, why did the whole world